Hi everyone. So I just got my doors panels removed. I skipped the process because it's time consuming, and what I did was I cleaned inside the door panels with regular household cleaner and some degreaser. Surface wasn't too bad, and I laid in some Dr.Artex gold. And what I noticed is that one sheet, which is 700 millimeters by 500 millimeters, fits in the door panel perfectly. So I just wanted to report on my progress. I'm still gonna roll in the sound mat just to give it that beautiful sticking finish, and it looks quite nice for the sounding. As for the results, by tapping it, and this is a back lot looser, and I haven't pressed it, so sounds good. Hi Rocky. What more? So if you're wondering, am I gonna go on the outer side? I plan to, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go for the silver range because it's thinner and lighter, and my door pads prevent me from using a thick sound deadener. I bought the bulk pack. I can show you the box. Comes with 10 sheets. I also did my boots, the rear valance, not yet finished. Yeah, I'm gonna use all the scraps out of the door. So the pieces that I cut off, I'm gonna fill these gaps here because it's quite expensive just to buy one sheet. And those are my splits, the stars on, which go back onto the door when it's done. Okay, so this is what the door looks like. It's just a plain door, and let's just try this. So very, very hollow. It might not sound bad now, but when you're playing high bass or anything, especially the high bass, not the raw noise, the doors tend to rattle a lot and they rob you of sound. So I got a bargain with these. I'm gonna get them in. This is the box. I got 3 sheets left from 8 sheets, and there you go, the original. And I don't know if you can see that, those 75 by 50, 3mm square, 2.6mm wide, heavy gold HD, Dr.Artex. My first time, but yeah, that's it. As for my sound system, nothing at the moment, but my build will be a double-din touchscreen Sony W651BT with Bluetooth and lots of other stuff, which I will also video. So yeah, just a city golf, but there. So what I done here was I laid all the pieces, cut them out to size, placed them just lightly, put them into place, and especially here where the speaker goes, and a majority on the back side, and just like putting smaller pieces not too far apart from each other to control the vibration. And I got this roller, which is not a sound deadening roller. It's your wallpaper roller, because it's not easy to get these in South Africa. So this is what I'm using. It's quite big and not for the job, but so be it. And all you do is, after it's placed into position, you roll it in. What I noticed is if you press it too much, you're actually subtracting the value of the material, because you're pressing a lot of the rubber that's underneath the foil or aluminium. You're actually squishing it, and so what you want to do is you want to press here on the corners, that this is the edge where two meet. So what you do is you put more pressure here, because you want it to stick, and then you take out the air on the inside of the mat. It's all up to you how you would like to do it, but that's what I've been doing. But also I do stick it with a lot of power, so it doesn't come off and leaves a better job, a better finish. So I'll take pics of the progress or progress video on all the doors, just so you guys understand how it's done. Beginners. I'm also a beginner. Ciao.